In front of me is GIGASET GX290, and let me show you how to change navigation bar on the following device. So as you can see, currently we are set up with gesture navigation. So here you've got back button, recent icons button and home button. If you'd like to use just the gestures to navigate, just open the settings, enter navigation in search area, mark it, navigation bar, and here as you can see you can pick gesture navigation. So I will mark it as at first, and now all you need to know how to use it is to slide up to go to your home screen. Then if you would like to go back, just slide right, and also left, it's working the same. And if you'd like to check all recent items, just slide up and hold it for a while, and here you've got all the apps that are currently active. So that would be all, so you can switch between navigation bars. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.